So here is how to use coupons on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. On the Temu website, go over to the search bar on the top and type in the code ACR697477 and search. You will then get a pop-up which will give you a generous coupon bundle. All you need to do is scan this QR code in the Temu app. Then, to use the code for items, just go through the website and search for your desired item. For instance, this one over here. Now, just select the variation that you want. After that, click on Add to Cart. Once it's added, click on Go to Cart on the right panel. Over here, if you click on the checkout option, it will show that we will need to reach the minimum order amount in order to check out. So for that, you can scroll through this page and choose your desired items and add them to cart. You can also use the search bar on the top to search for your items. Once done, click on Continue to Checkout. So on this page, you can go over to the coupon code section and type in ACR697477 and click on Apply, and the discount will be applied to your order. Once done, just click on Submit Order. And that's it. That is exactly how to use coupons on Temu.